Hi, hi. How are you? Everyone. How are you, blessing? Today, talking about we question what are the factors that is really matter in life? What are the factors that is really matter in life? Recalling the life of Bushman Stephen Jobs, father of the free personal founder of Apple Company, probably the most innovative company in the industry. This company we see was one of the most important influential companies. Now, now today we talk about the question what are the factors that really made it in the life. Stephen Jobs say the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Looking don't sell it. What are the factors that really made it in life? It, this is based on Sean's biography and his life, all the dots, education, be resilient, don't keep out, use lost word today. Love is too short to light others' dream. For me, one of the different factors that really made it in the life, the resilience and persistence, hey, there's hell of the heart to fight until the goal of the resilient, persistent, discipline is a project like dreams with the goal of our life and purpose project. We must also know that difficult we can't and have to start over and over again until we achieve what we dream of.